Hey guys, it's Courtney-Ann here. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about business, entrepreneurship, finance, real estate, and life in general. Welcome to the first out-of-town edition of our real estate series. We're in the beautiful parish of St. Mary, and today we're going to be doing one of two properties. So go ahead and drop a like on this video and be sure to check out part 2 right after you're finished with this tour. So the name of this beautiful complex is Edgehill. I'm sure you've been hearing about it on social media, and today I'm going to be showing you what inside the house looks like. So the first house that we're going to be starting with is the Elizabeth. Prices can start at $298 USD and it can go up to $309,000 USD depending on the lot size that you receive. So inside the house, it's actually 1,904 square foot all around, including your yard. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms plus a den. So let's head on inside the house. So once you enter the house, you're actually immediately into the living room space. Now, I am a big fan of neutral colors, and so I must give the interior designer for this property a big thumbs up. So on my right, we have our sofa set. We have a nice coffee table here with a neutral color carpet that I love so much. And every coffee table needs a statement centerpiece. On my left though, we actually have space for your television. We have a little side table that you can do. And if you're a fan of wall art, you can also add your art to the wall. I'm not too iffy on art pieces, but I hear about NFTs lately. So if you want to invest in your art, now would be a good time to do so and just keep them on the walls of your living room. Now right behind me is the kitchen area. Now this kitchen area is extremely versatile because we have 2 seating areas, right? So we have a small table here on the left, and also we have seating space here as well. So you can actually invest in some high chairs or some benches and seat about 4 persons here and have a lovely breakfast with your family. Right as we enter the kitchen area though, and guys, if you're watching the channel, you guys know I like dark cabinets, but today I will definitely make an exception because these cabinets are absolutely beautiful. They are stunning and they come and blend right in with the color of the house. As you can see, there's space allotted for your stove. Now, the thing about this house though is if you have a smaller stove, you may have to put in an extension, which is fine. But otherwise, if you have a stove similar to this one, you will be just fine. We can also fit a chair around here as well if the chef wants to take a little rest and take a breath and cool themselves off. We have space over here with our cabinetry, and this can actually be multifunctional for both your dishes as well as your pantry area. So as you can see, we have adequate cabinet space here. Daniel just come around and show them what inside the cabinet looks like. I love about this unit is that they've already laid out the furniture to kind of give you an idea of what the space will look like. And I've seen a few of the comments in the comment section saying that you guys are having difficulty figuring out where to put the furniture. So hopefully this unit will give you some clarity as to how you can design your own space. Now once you exit the kitchen area, I do have a small surprise for you because not a lot of homes have this, but we actually have a small den slash hangout area. So come along with me, let me show you what it looks like. And let me just take a seat to show you what the area looks like. It's very private. You can definitely catch up on some reading, collect your thoughts, have some morning coffee. If it is that you want to let a little sunlight into the area, as you can see, we have a beautiful garden outside. We have beautiful art on the wall and another coffee table in the middle. So I just think this is a really cute space, and it's not something that you find often in homes these days. And I want to big up the developer for bringing this idea and actually adding this space to the house. Once we've exited the den though, I'm going to be showing you the bedrooms and then the bathroom area, and then we're going to step outside to see what the yard space looks like. So now that we've covered the kitchen area, the den, the living room space, I'm going to be showing you the first bedrooms and also the bathroom. So right in front of me, we actually have a small storage area. You know, you can keep your linen, your sheets, your towels inside. Let me just draw it back so you can see what it looks like. So once we finished with the linen closet, we're actually in our first bathroom. Now, as you guys can see, this is a really cute space. I love how they kept the counter space empty, not cluttered. I'm not a fan of clutter. And we actually have our sink here. This can easily be a guest bathroom if you don't want persons, you know, using your personal bathroom. On my right though, we have a shower, and it's beautifully decorated with this nice shower curtain with the purple and the white, and we also have stainless steel fixtures. You know, broad shower heads are in right now, so we definitely have that as well. And we have adequate space for you to shower and do what you need to do. After though, when we finish with the bathroom, we're going to be heading out and going into the bedroom area. All right guys, so welcome to the first bedroom. Now this is beautifully laid out, not too cluttered, not too tight, not too cringy. We have a large enough bed. Like, trust me, this is a beautiful space. The curtains are just right. You can see a view of all of the garden, the trees outside. You know, we have our television here. We have adequate drawer space, guys. And please note that although this is a model unit, the units do come unfurnished. So once again, it's really just to give you an idea of how to, you know, lay out your space, how to decorate your space. Behind me though, and you guys know I'm a big fan of closets, we have a large closet area. So let me just open it, show you guys what's inside, what it looks like. You know, you can store your shoes, your clothes, your suitcases, anything you need to really. And if you bring your attention to the top of the closet, actually, you notice that there's storage space on the top as well, right? So now that we've finished with bedroom number 1, we're gonna be heading into bedroom number 2. Right? So it's actually one straight passage. You've had your bedroom, you've had your bathroom, and we're going to enter into bedroom number 2. So welcome to bedroom number 2. Now, if you have children, this is a perfect space. You can easily fit 2 single beds in here. As you can see, they still have enough space to move around. We actually have a cute little study area on my left right here. You know, and you can fit a good size desk in this bedroom. You know, here we have a beautiful chair. So if you're into neutral colors like I mentioned earlier, a chair like this would be perfect for you. And we actually have a small little corner here that could be a reading corner. Anything you prefer, you know, you can easily just sit here, relax, and gather your thoughts. If it is that you don't have children though, you can fit a similar bed as the one in the previous bedroom, and you could still get an adequate amount of moving space. Now the units do come with air conditioning, so although it's coming unfurnished, you really don't have to worry about installments and all of that. And we still have adequate ventilation behind my camera lady, so you can let some of that nice Jamaican breeze in here. Now guys, just to further add, this room also comes with a similar size closet such as the one that I showed you in bedroom number 1. And again, you do have storage at the top in case you want to store any large objects, any suitcases, you know, stuff like that. So next we're going to actually be heading into the other bedroom as well as the other bathroom. All right, so stay tuned and let's continue the tour. Guys, so welcome to bedroom number 3. So here we have the master bedroom. Now this is even larger than the other bedrooms that I've showed you, and we have a beautiful, comfy, large bed. Oh my god, guys, I am such a huge fan of big beds. Like, I can just picture relaxing in this, watching some Netflix, relaxing, having some popcorn or some hot chocolate. You guys know it's the fall season, a nice pumpkin spice latte. And we have 2 side tables here. So we have our air conditioning unit here. We have our nightstand here with a good sized television, and at my feet we have a neutrally colored rug. So Daniel, just point your camera down a little bit to just show them what the space looks like. And then also guys, I want to highlight the adequate drawer space that you can fit into this bedroom, and you can always utilize this space here as well as where Daniel is actually standing, because where she's standing there is a small single couch, or I should say seat rather. So if it is that you do want more storage, you can just have that out and put a different nightstand where she's standing right now. So Daniel, just come around slowly and then show them what behind you looks like so that they can understand what I was really referring to. So remember how I mentioned earlier about the other bathroom being your guest bathroom? Well, the master bedroom actually has its own private bathroom. So behind me, I'm going to be showing you what the space looks like. And inside, we have double vanity sinks, ladies and gentlemen. You guys know that I am a big fan of double vanity. We have our two sinks here. We have storage underneath. Look at all of that space. You can definitely put your toiletries under here. You know, we have a large mirror, so you definitely have no issues getting ready in the morning time. We have our toilet area here, which kind of has a sectional wall, if you want to call it that, for a bit of privacy. And then last but not least, we actually have a walk-in shower. Now this is largely space. We have glass doors. We have our large shower head here, just as the other bathroom, so the unit remains extremely consistent with its design, especially where appliances are concerned. We have actually two windows in this bathroom, so we actually have lots of ventilation and tons of natural light. Now once we exit the bathroom area, I'm going to be showing you what the actual closet looks like. So I'm going to walk out, and then I'm going to turn the lights on, head inside, and you guys have a walk-in closet. You can't say that this is not enough space. Like guys, this is a huge closet. We have our storage rack here. You can always install additional shelving or racks depending on the type of closet that you like. But with a little bit of customization, this can easily be your dream closet. Now we're going to be wrapping up the tour on the outside. I'm going to be showing you the backyard because there is a backyard. Yep, there is a backyard. But before we do that, guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel because we post videos like this all the time, and it really helps our channel grow and reach more viewers like yourself. So I'll see you guys on the outside. So welcome to the backyard area. Now this door that you're seeing here is actually a connection to your master bedroom. So you have your own private entry and exit, so you don't necessarily have to go through the living room area. Where I'm standing though, you can easily develop this into an outdoor patio. So personally, I would probably just put some chairs here. You can't put anything here obviously because that's the wash area. You can put something there if you don't plan on using your bedroom door, but then you can do whatever you want really. It's really up to you. You can customize it however you want. You just want to ensure that you are comfortable and you can get a view of this beautiful St. Mary hills and trees that are right behind my camera lady, but I'll show you guys how that looks later. Now we're going to step into the backyard area. If you have kids, this unit is perfect for you because there is plenty of space for them to run around, for them to enjoy themselves. You can have your little garden over here. You can probably have some outdoor chairs. You can set up a tent. You can have your barbecue grill. There is so much things that you can do with this space. So go ahead and contact the real estate agent for this property. Her name is Miss Nadeen Neal. Tell her that I sent you and she will definitely be happy to take care of you guys. Give her a call. Her number will be on the screen as well as in the description box. If you want to find her on Instagram, her @ is Your Jamaican Realtor. So Miss Neal, if you're watching this, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to do this tour. I'm going to be showing the viewers what the front yard looks like, guys. go ahead and drop a like on this video. Tell me what was your favorite part of the house tour. Don't forget to also catch up on part 2, where we're going to be doing the other unit. So once you've wrapped up this, I'm going to be placing a card on your video so that you can see what the other unit looks like. All right, I'll see you guys later.
Hey guys, so these houses are actually close to several tourist attractions such as Dolphin Cove and Duns River Falls, and inside the complex you will actually have access to jogging trails, an indoor gym, a clubhouse, and several other amenities that you can find in the description box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!